everyone, welcome back to Winterfell Camp. This is we're going to do some shorts. Going to head out to the bus and show you guys all how the new diesel heater works. Friday, February the 9th. Nice day. Very warm for this time of year. +8, not a good thing for this time of year, February, you know. But anyways, is what it is. So I got to head to the doctor shortly. I think I am going to take the bus. I wanted to show you guys the diesel heater is working. So I'm just going to go in the bus here. There you go. Okay, so that's the unit right there. Hang on a minute. Let's see if I can get a good close view of that. All right. So we push this button there. I gotta hold in this time now. Okay, so there's 2024, 8:24. It's not 8:24 in the morning, but in the evening. So there's the starting. You can hear it. So there you go. It'll take a minute or two for it to do its thing. Hey there, we're back in the bus. Just this damn camera. So we're just gonna wait there a minute. Yeah, I think I will take her for a drive. Got more fuel in it than the pickup truck anyways, so you know. But yeah, just to keep it working, because we're gonna start planning a trip now. I'm just waiting for some paperwork, and I think we're going to go down to the US of A for a visit for a friend down there. And I don't know how long I'll be down there with her. A couple days maybe, who knows. But it'll be a good first run. Oh, I thought that was the thing. It takes, like, it's got glow plug in it, I guess is what it is with these diesel heaters. So it takes a minute. I'm surprised about hearing the fuel pumping. Nobody got their pay. It doesn't need much to run it. That's the one thing I've been finding out with this thing. It definitely does not need much to run it. Anyway, I haven't run the little wood stove in it since that first show we did. I was too busy running the one in the house with the weather and everything. Now it's not plugged in. I mean, meaning the block here. So we'll see how she starts. It's been about minus. Well, last night it never went below 0. Today, or a couple nights this week, it went down to like minus 10 or whatever. Sunday when I went to see Wayne, you see about getting this fixed. Which the trick is, at least if you run it 3 or 4 times, it doesn't kick in. At least with this one. Pull the fuses out, reset the computer, and then bang, she'll go. That's what he showed me anyway. One thing I didn't learn from him is how to turn the temperature down. But I've got the manuals inside the house, and now that it's working, I can kind of have a. I just don't want to be touching things to, you know, to mess up. It's more complicated than it really needs to be, I think, but. Anyways, I don't know enough about them. I did watch a YouTube video of a guy that bought like a Chinese one. This might be a Chinese one. His was a Vivo or a Vervo. This one's a different name. There. It's not quite the blower yet. Oh, it's there. It's warm. Hang on a minute. So that's where the heat comes up there. There's another one underneath. And once this thing gets going, don't use hardly any power electricity wise. So air fryer I put in here. See, there's another thing there for the heat. Or no, you put it. It's got one here. No, where is it? There's this one here. Did he close this one? Oh, maybe he did. Okay, anyway. It says I can open that one up and then use it as a boot warmer. Why did that shut off? That shouldn't have shut off already. Let's see what's happening here. That's weird. It was just starting to blow warm air and then it suddenly shut down. But it says it's still on, so I don't know. Fascinating. Kinda. Okay, I can see the exhaust burning outside now. I hope you guys can see that. Yeah, it's going through some routine here. Yeah, see, oh, there, can you see the smoke? That there's from the diesel. It'll disappear in a minute. Yeah. So you guys can see that? No wonder we don't hear the tick, tick, tick though for the fuel. Pump is over here somewhere. That's the exhaust, the second exhaust for the diesel. I gotta watch my time here because I gotta go like that. I gotta start this big puppy up here. What's going on, machine? It does take a few minutes for it to get itself up now. Thing is, there the other day when we finally got everything working after we did the fuse thing and everything, I could hear the pump going tick, 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 tick. And of course, as it's warming, it'll go faster as it's bringing more fuel in. But I'm not hearing it right now. Weird. Come on, honey. Don't let us down, especially on camera now. I've got to get True to do the splitting. It's warm for the next couple of days, so I'm just keeping a small fire going to keep the coals going, so I don't have to burn up all my limited supply of kindling. I got to get him to split the wood. My arms are going numb now every night, like when I'm sleeping. There we go. She's kicking. Can you hear it now? RV heat. Oh yeah. Lots of heat. Now wait, stuff is church of some kind. And it doesn't take long for this thing to get warmed up, I can assure you. Alright, what time? Oh, I guess I can't tell the time when I'm doing this, eh? Well, let's go get the keys and we'll give this thing a start. Lots of heat coming out of there. We'll let it run for a bit. Gotta move the ram first. Oh, I'll separate the keys. Still plugged into shore power, so I'm not worried. But I mean, it's not sunny today, but it's bright, and them solar panels definitely charge it. So there's my wood supply. See, some of these pieces are so big I can't put them in the little stove. So I'm gonna have to get young Mr. What time we got there? 1 o'clock. Okay, definitely time to get moving here. Ooh, nice and warm in here. All right, let's see if this puppy will start. It hasn't been plugged in, so. The magic bus. I was playing around with artwork on Canva with the bus. I should take some other pictures, better pictures than what I've got, because I was, you know, painting a name on the side. The magic bus. Anyway, let's see. Let's see how she'll start. I need this key off. And that one separate here. Hang on, I gotta put you guys down for if I can. And it's just like a regular furnace. Once it reaches the heat, it'll come on and off, just like a furnace. So you get used to the noise pretty quick. All right, let's see if she'll start without the block heater. So I thought that power on. See, there's a power isolator. This is the batteries from the main system. And then, of course, when that's on, I can drive it and it'll be charging the glow plugs coming on. See? 1, 2, 3. No issues at all. There you go. Oh, that's quite the sound. Bang, 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 bang. Diesels, eh? All right, Mr. Mail come by yet? No. Oh, fuck, I got the wrong key. Oh, no, I got the right key. Okay. Yeah. I'll take the... Because now it's been like a week since I last drove it, so... See how it is to go to the doctor's office and back. Way.